Hello everyone, my name is Maria G with MGL Stamp Studios and welcome back. I'm doing a quick video to show my new Stampin' Up! Mini embossing machine, and I thought about it for a long time, wondered if I wanted to get one. You see here it comes with some of the plates and instructions, and I was so excited to give it a try. I heard so much about it. Sorry that I jiggled the camera, but I really wanted to give it a try, see if there was any difference. I ended up getting the one with the little bundle. You have stylish shapes, and as you can see here, the stylish shapes are a really nice basic set of dies, squares and circles and a lot of labels. And you see here, this is the very first time I used it, and the impression is so nice. It was really, really easy to use. And I also tried it with a dry embossing folder. Look at how amazing that is. So I really love it. I hope this helped you. Have a wonderful day and thanks for watching.